Welcome, wanderers, to Beauty of the World, where we embark on a journey to explore one of the most awe-inspiring landmarks on the planet, the Burj Khalifa. Nestled in the heart of Dubai, this architectural masterpiece is more than just a skyscraper. It's a symphony of design, engineering, and the boundless spirit of human achievement. Rising majestically to a height of 828 meters, the Burj Khalifa is a testament to the harmonious blend of form and function. Its sleek, glass exterior reflects the vibrant energy of the city below, making it a true gem in the global tapestry of iconic structures. As you ascend to its record-breaking heights, you'll be treated to an unrivaled panoramic view of Dubai's dynamic landscape. The observation decks, suspended amidst the clouds, offer a breathtaking 360-degree perspective, allowing you to witness the city's evolution from a unique vantage point. Yet, the beauty of the world doesn't stop at aesthetics. Join us as we delve into the engineering marvels that make the Burj Khalifa a towering symbol of innovation. With its Y-shaped floor plan and robust exoskeleton, this architectural marvel defies gravity with grace, telling a story of precision and vision. As night falls, the Burj Khalifa transforms into a captivating canvas of light and sound. Its LED-illuminated facade paints the night sky with a mesmerizing dance of colors, turning the cityscape into a breathtaking work of art. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a world traveler, or simply captivated by the extraordinary, the Burj Khalifa is an experience that transcends boundaries. Subscribe now to Beauty of the World for more virtual explorations of the planet's most stunning wonders. Thanks for watching.